Dive into 2026 with our spotlight on 5 must-have faux fall leaves decor models. We evaluate performance, value, ease of use, and durability. Find product links in the description and first comment. Let's explore each product in order, starting with our first standout piece. Our first product is the Rose 4-pack small fake plants in black pots. This set is perfect for those who love Gothic aesthetics. These artificial plants require no watering, making them ideal for busy individuals or for low-maintenance decor. The black pots add a stylish touch, perfect for Halloween or a chic fall setup. Place them on shelves, desks, or kitchen tables to enhance any room effortlessly. With their compact size, they fit seamlessly into small spaces without overwhelming the decor. This product offers a great balance of style and practicality, making it a valuable addition to any home. Next up, we have the 6PC's 27 inches eucalyptus stems greenery. These artificial eucalyptus stems bring a fresh, vibrant feel to your space. The green silk plastic material offers a realistic look, perfect for home, party, or wedding decor. These stems are flexible and can be arranged in various ways to suit your design needs. Their height makes them ideal for vases, adding a touch of elegance to any room. This set is a smart choice for anyone looking to create a lush, green atmosphere indoors. With their versatility and realistic appearance, these eucalyptus stems are a fantastic investment for decor enthusiasts. Our third product is the 4PC's artificial ficus branches faux eucalyptus stems, measuring an impressive 47.2 inches. These fake greenery stems are perfect as vase fillers, adding height and dimension to your arrangements. The ficus branches offer a lush, full appearance that's ideal for centerpieces and decorative displays. Crafted for realism, these stems are a great option for those seeking durable, long-lasting decor solutions. They bring a touch of the outdoors inside, with zero maintenance required. This product stands out for its impressive length and natural look, making it a valuable decor piece. Fourth in line, the SHACOS 4PC's 28-inch artificial olive branches offer a touch of Mediterranean charm. These faux tree branches are perfect for vases, providing a classic and elegant look to your decor. Their realistic design makes them suitable for home, wedding, or office settings, enhancing any environment. These stems are ideal for DIY floral crafts, giving you the flexibility to create personalized arrangements. The olive branches are a timeless addition, offering a sophisticated aesthetic without the upkeep of real plants. This product is a fantastic choice for those who appreciate classic, evergreen decor styles. Finally, we have the McKeown 10PC's fake fern for outdoor use. These artificial Boston fern stems are incredibly realistic. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, they're perfect for planters, porches, and patios. The lush greenery adds a vibrant touch to any setting, making them versatile decor pieces. These ferns are crafted to withstand the elements, ensuring they remain beautiful year-round. They offer an affordable way to enjoy greenery without the hassle of maintenance. This product wraps up our list, showcasing its practicality and value for those seeking effortless outdoor decor.